2024 was a very good year for Schouw & Company, created by the strengths of our conglomerate structure and the solid market positions of our portfolio businesses. We reached an operational profit of 2.9 billion and delivered 2.6 billion DKK in cash flow from operations. Both were all-time high numbers. The solid performance is a consequence of a value-creating and risk-minimizing business model, resilient margin development, and favorable positions from the diverse portfolio strategy. What stands out to me is the bright minds and steady hands who deliver better business across our portfolio businesses. That's why results are created by people has been our mantra for many years. The results that we continuously deliver are driven by our skilled and dedicated employees, and without them, we would not be able to generate earnings on par with the best. At Schouw & Company, we are committed, responsible corporate citizens, both environmentally and socially. 2024 was eventful for us. Among other things, we entered a 10-year power purchase agreement securing green energy that will cover more than 40% of the electricity used by our European business operations. Looking ahead, we will focus on global opportunities, and we expect to continue to generate a solid profit and cash flow. 2025 is going to be a busy year where we will continue to focus on generating value for our shareholders. We are currently investigating if a separate listing of BioMar, where we remain the majority shareholder, could be value creating for Schouw & Company shareholders.